678 black stone in Minneola, Florida. Right near the Turnpike, right near Publix, walking distance to all the schools in this gorgeous neighborhood here in Minneola, Florida. There's lots of hills here. We're right near Disney. I want to show you this amazing 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car oversized garage, 3,200 square feet, a huge loft, and the primary bedroom is upstairs, but you can also use this as an in-law suite because they do have a full bathroom downstairs with a bedroom. So let me show you. Come on in. This home is only about 2.5 years old, and the floors are amazing. You have your tile throughout all the downstairs. This area could be a living room, it could be a playroom, it could be an office, or a den, a reading area. Nice high ceilings, beautiful color paint, neutral colors. They hardly have any holes in the walls. It's so beautiful. Over here, you have your dining room area, or you could consider this as your eat-in kitchen area. And then you have this fabulous kitchen, this gourmet kitchen with double sinks, stainless steel, with a gas stove. Look at these counters. Aren't they gorgeous? Now these do not convey with the home, but we wanted to keep them here for you. Okay, look at these cabinets. They're so beautiful with the crown molding, upgraded cabinets, upgrading appliances, and then you have your linen, your pantry right here, walk-in pantry, and then here is your beautiful refrigerator, Samsung refrigerator. Over here is your family room, and I wanted to leave the blinds open because you have no rear neighbors in this gorgeous home. And look how nicely the blinds come down. I had to show you. They're so beautiful, and they're throughout the whole home. Over here, you have all new lights, and you have fans throughout. Here's the in-law suite that's kind of separate, where you could even put a door here if you really wanted to. You have your outside patio there that's covered. And it's also lined for gas for an outdoor kitchen. And then also the stove is gas. And then here is a nice pantry. So if you wanted to put a door here and give some privacy, maybe for a teenager or an in-law, you have all this gorgeous, gorgeous brand new bathroom for you. And then you also have this beautiful bedroom in here with a nice sized closet and fan. And this home is ready to move in. Now we're gonna head upstairs. Over here, you have your little area where I like to put my keys and stuff as I go out to the garage. The garage is 2-car garage, and it's oversized, so it has extra space. So now we'll go upstairs. Upstairs is all carpeted. The house has totally been detail cleaned. Barely lived in. You have your laundry room with your washer and dryer right up here, so you don't have to go up and down the stairs. Over here is an awesome area where we call it the bonus area loft. So it's kind of 2 different areas. So this area could be considered a gym area where you can do your workouts. And then over here could be like your media area, your playroom, or all that kind of good stuff. And then you also have a fan here. And then over here is where the primary bedroom is. The primary bedroom is huge. And then as you come into the primary bedroom, you also have a beautiful step-in shower with the upgraded rain shower and controllers. It's so awesome. And then you have this beautiful garden tub, Roman tub, with these beautiful gray cabinets and drawers and beautiful lights. Look at the size of this closet. You could have a party in this closet. It is huge. And then you also have the separate commode right there. And then we're gonna go to the other side to the loft area where the other bedrooms are. Like I said earlier, it's a total of 5 bedrooms. 1 bedroom and bathroom is downstairs, and a total of 3 full bathrooms. Look at this bathroom. You also have 2 doors, so you have privacy, and you have a tub, and you have your double sinks. And then over here is your other 2 bedrooms. Look at the size of these closets. You have nice molding, base molding at the bottom, nice and thick. And all of the closets are the same here. You have three bedrooms right here. With 3 closets. Again, my name is Darlene Missiano at RE/MAX Titanium. This beautiful home is in Minneola, Florida. We're lots of hills. It's so beautiful here. Please call us or call your agent. Our office number is 352-241-6363, and I'm Darlene at RE/MAX Titanium, real estate broker owner. Thank you and have an amazing day.